For everyone here who's new, who's been with AI TV for a very long time, it's just AI News TV coming to you with some new content. Right now, overlooking our balcony, if you can see, there's lots of traffic, lots of snow. We're not really sure what's going on down there, but just showing you as much as we can from where we are. Hopefully everyone's being safe, has on their winter tires, seasonal tires, whatever you want to call it. And as you can see, traffic starts from all the way down there. Again, I just need to focus a little bit, and you guys could see the vehicles moving slowly across. So if you're joining in from wherever you're watching, like, share, comment, subscribe to the channel. Tell your family, your friends to come over here at AI TV News to join us. I'm just gonna slant it down here, and you can see from the parking lot, from the ground, all the snow that's fallen. It's winter, guys, and it's the end of January. The month went by pretty fast. White skies. And everyone's trying to get home from work or from whichever place that they're coming from. So as you can see, the vehicles are coming through the intersection, very slowly. Everyone's being very careful. Like, guys, share, subscribe to AI TV News, support my channel, support us as we bring you great content from, winter and snow to spring when it comes, and summer and fall. But for now, it's just a glimpse of how it looks in the winter time when it's snowing outside. I just want to, advise everyone who's traveling, who's coming from afar, who's just leaving their homes, or who are heading home, to be safe, out in this weather. It's always great to be prepared. You never know what's going to happen. Advising everyone to take their times, be safe on the roads, and, just get wherever you're getting to safe and sound. Have a good night, everyone, and we'll see you in the next clip. Bye. Hi everyone, this is AI News TV, and I'm just coming here to you from Toronto, Canada. Just overlooking my balcony, where you can see there's lots of snow, traffic, and it's a beautiful night here in Toronto. And I'm hoping everyone has a wonderful time just taking a look at what's happening right now at this present moment.